Hi children, how are you? I hope all of you are safe at home. In the previous class we have learned additions with regrouping the children. Have you completed the given homework? I hope all of you have finished it. Let us have a look on the given homework children. 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. 8 plus 6 is 14. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. 9 plus 5 is 14. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 3 is 5. I think all of you have completed the given homework children. Am I right? I am giving 5 stars to those who have completed all the sums correctly. Let us learn today's topic, shapes. S-H-A-P-E-S, shapes. Every single thing around us is made of lines and shapes. Let us learn about lines. We shall learn different kinds of lines. Standing line, sleeping line, left slanting line and right slanting line. Curved line, long line, short lines, wavy lines, curly lines, zigzag lines, crisscross lines. By using these lines, we can draw some pictures also, children. Let us see how. See here children, now we got a wonderful drawing now with these lines children. That means with the help of lines we can get shapes also. See here, we got different shapes. Am I right? Now let us learn shapes. Square, circle, triangle, oval, rectangle. Let us know about square. Square has 4 straight lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it has 4 corners. These 4 straight lines we can call as sides. 4 sides, and where 2 lines are jointed, the joint we call it as corner. It is called as corner or vertex. This is a side. Circle. Circle is made of a closed curved line. It has no corners, has no sides. It completely looks like a ball. This is a triangle. It is made of 3 straight lines. It may be in this shape also. It may be looks like this shape also. These three are triangles. Three sides, it has an angle. So, we call it as triangle. See here children, 1, 2, 3. Three sides also children. 3 sides. And 3 corners. 1, 2 and 3. Vowel shape. Vowel shape is also made up of a curved line. It is also a closed curved line. It is also not having any corners. No corners. No sides. It completely looks like an egg shape. Rectangle. It is made of 4 straight lines. It has 4 sides. In the rectangle, opposite sides are equal. A rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Square. Square has 4 sides. All sides are equal. Square has 4 corners. Examples for square are TV, television, photo frame, table. Circle. Circle has no sides, 0 sides and 0 corners. It looks like clock, ball, sun. Triangle. Triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Examples for triangle is pizza, pyramid, Christmas tree. Vowel. Vowel has 0 sides and 0 corners. Examples of vowel are watermelon, Easter egg, pool. Rectangle. Rectangle has 4 sides. The opposite sides are equal. And it has 4 corners. Examples for rectangle are door, Indian flag and air conditioner AC. Till now we have learned about 2D shapes, no children? Now we are going to learn 3D shapes. Today we are going to learn some specific 3D shapes, children. See here, a cone, a cube, a sphere, a cuboid and a cylinder. Now let us see what makes these shapes different. This is a cube. These are called edges. Let us see how many edges a cube has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. A cube has 12 edges. Now let us see how many edges a cuboid has. See here children, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Of course, it is also having 12 edges. Now let us check a sphere. Do you see any edges here children? No. There is no edge for a sphere. Now let us see how many edges a cone has. See here children. Here only one edge, that is also a curved edge. Next, cylinder. See here how many edges are there? Here on the top there is an edge and here one more edge. A cylinder has 2 edges, 2 curved edges. Let us know about faces. This is a face. Let us know how many faces a cube has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. A cube has 6 faces. And let us know about cuboid. Let us know how many faces a cuboid has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. A cuboid has 6 faces again. Let us know about sphere. Do you see any faces here, children? No. A sphere has no face. Did you notice something special about these two shapes, children? Both are having plain faces. Now let us check a cylinder. It has 3 faces. 1, 2 and 3. 2 plain faces and a curved face. And check out a cone. This is also having a curved face and a plain face. It has 2 faces. Now let us check a sphere. A sphere has complete curved face. Now let us check how many corners a cube has. Where 2 edges meet, we call it as a corner. This is a corner. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. A cube has 8 corners. Now let us check a cuboid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. A cuboid also has 8 corners. Now let us check a cylinder. Do you see any corners in the cylinder, children? No. That means cylinder has no corners. What about a cone? Cone has 1 corner on the top. And what about sphere? See here? Any corners are there? No. Again, sphere has no corners. Now, look at this cone, children. I can shift this cone like this. It's slide. And I can also roll it. That means this cone slides as well as rolls. Now, what about cube? Now you see, children, I can shift it like this. That means it slides, but it cannot roll. Sphere. Now, this sphere can only roll. It cannot slide. What about this cuboid? It can also shift like this. That means only it can slide. It cannot roll on. What about cylinder? Now it can slide. Let us check. Either it can roll on. Yes, it can roll on. That means it can slide as well as roll on, children. Now, I hope so, children, you understood how certain objects can slide and some can roll and some can roll and as well as can slide. So, I hope, children, now you understood how these shapes are different with their edges and faces and corners. Now, let us have some examples for these shapes. For cone, ice cream, samosa, a birthday cap and a pizza pie. For a cube, ice cubes, dice, Rubik's cube and a gift box. Sphere, lollipop, a ball, globe as well as a balloon. A globe, a cuboid, pencil box, a book, CPU and an eraser. Examples for cylinder are a cool drink can, paper roll, a battery, a drum. So, you have understood now, children? What are the examples we can see around us? Now let us recall 3D shapes, children. Look at the board. Cube. Cube is having 12 edges, 8 corners and 6 faces. And a cuboid has 12 edges, 8 corners and 6 faces. 2 of the faces could be square. A cone. A cone has 0 edges and 1 corner and 2 faces. One is plain face and one is curved face. A cylinder. A cylinder has 0 edges, 0 corners and it has 2 faces. One curved face. Here it has 0 edges, 0 corners. It has completely a curved face. Have you understood about the shapes, children? Let us know what are the differences between 2D shapes and 3D shapes. 2D shapes. 2D shapes are also called as two-dimensional shapes. It has only 2 dimensions. See here, it has length as well as width. 3D shapes are also called as three-dimensional shapes. It has 3 dimensions. See here, length, width and height. 3 dimensions. I hope you have understood the difference between 2D shapes and 3D shapes. Now it's homework time. Write names for the given shapes. This is your homework, children. We shall meet in the next class. Thank you.